So my sister is scared of the bird.
Look at it. Look at it. It's gonna bite my ear off.
No, it's not.
Wait, get on my head. Get on my head. Wait, can you put it on my head? I wanna see if it'll work.
I'm just gonna let you and the bird be free with each other.
Oh my god. Coming through. Bird coming through.
Hi, baby. Hi, Sonny.
See, Beto's.
Oh my god.
See, Beto's not scared of the bird.
I'm scared.
You're not.
Oh! Get him off.
Yes, I know, because he doesn't
Oh,
like this.
wow.
Oh, there we go. See, you guys are already becoming best friends.
He's laying on my head. Oh my god. My dad, look! He's on my hair. Dad, look! Dad, look! Dad, are you gonna look?
Yep, I'm taping it.
There you go. He's on my head.
It looks like a hat.
Oh my god.
Looks like a hat.
You've already.
I'm videotaping the whole thing.
Oh my goodness.
Are you less frightened now that
Do you
the...
like Mona Lisa, little Sunny? Do you like Mona Lisa? Look into the camera.
I don't know anything about
Ah.
when
Okay, okay.
Are you less frightened now that the bird is on your head?
Yes, I like it when he's on my head.
getting along.
He likes my head, see?
Really
Look, the hair makes him go more to the center, see? Look at it. And it doesn't hurt, because my hair, I have very thick hair, so it doesn't really hurt.
Anyway,
I'm gonna just...
try getting
Maybe I'll just... Are you just falling?
Yes.
I'm just gonna walk around. So, what do you want to do, Sunny? Ah! Okay, Sunny. I understand.
You said it doesn't hurt because you have thick hair.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt that much, but I can still feel it. It feels like a hair clip in my hair. Go right to the center. My hair makes me go right to the center. Go.
You have a weird face right now.
Let me take a video of Martin.
No. I mean, I guess.
Marty.
What up?
He's like, what up?
It's,
Oh my god, do you like the bird, guys?
it's your boy, autistic kid, and my sister's